Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to remove watermark in Microsoft Publisher. So let's started. At first open your Publisher document. In this video, I will show remove watermark in Publisher. Now you can see remove watermark. Now going to the view menu option. Then click. Now click for master page option. Now we can see then show the watermark text. Now for select, then keyboard press from delete button. That it's. Now going to the master page. Now close from master page option. That it's. Now you can see remove watermark in publisher document is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks.